Hey, I wanted to show you this is unit we just received, and this unit, as you can tell, it's like less than 2 years old, and you can see 0412. This is the December 12th. Since it's European, so the month is the second number. So this unit was sold probably in 2016 something, so it's less than 2 years old, and the unit is already dead. So I just wanted to show, so you can see it was never opened. The label is intact, the warranty label is intact. So we're gonna open it and see what's going on. The problem has the BMW logo in the boot loop like always. Okay, I'll open it right now. Okay, I'll open it up. As we can see, this is the facelifted version. Motherboard installed here, and I wouldn't say it's new. I think it's old. As you can see, 0638. This is 38 weeks of 2006. So it's like 2007 chips installed in this board. So it's definitely not new. And like I said, like BMW also sells refurbished stuff, and you can see those dots. This one, and this one. I don't know, they look so amateur to me, and the soldering doesn't look good. So anyway, we'll try to fix it. And this is what the unit is doing. BMW logo, there's the unit. This is the unit, you can see it's 2015, almost 2016. And it's not okay. Here's the update. This is a brand new unit. Well, it's not brand new, you can see it's 2 years old. The one we got for repair, and the client said that it failed after 18 months or so. Okay, we fixed it, and I wanted to show you how it's new, sort of. Okay, let's turn on. Here's the BMW logo. Now it's going to boot. It should. Okay, it's loaded. Everything booted fine. What I wanted to show you is, some people say that at BMW you get a brand new unit. Well, let's see here. When you're reading the user options, user fields, you can see ASK, antenna, most, GW, CCC, MASK, and CCC unit. Those are the CCC unit modules, and you can see some of them they're for sure 2015. You can see it right here, 2015. But the 63 and A0, which are the most important ones, they're 2008. You can see they didn't update it. So if the motherboard was new, theoretically all the units were supposed to be updated. So in this unit you can say only 3 units were updated at least. So 2 of them, the most important one, which actually takes 2 hours to update, they didn't even touch it at BMW. So they didn't even bother about it. So I'm just saying the motherboard is supposedly this much old. So it was what? July 2008. So it's 10 years old motherboard, and they sell it as a refurbished unit. So it's not brand new. That's what I wanted to say. But we fixed the unit. The unit is working fine, and it's coming back as functional, and it's going to last longer than 18 months after our repair. That's all I wanted to show you. Thanks.